Hey gang, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty unboxing video. I'm Amy Harber, that's where you can find me. This is the Ipsy May glam bag with the theme Go There. So it's all about getting lost to find yourself. So, you know, all about soaking in beauty. So let's go there and get into these products. So, hey, I've got the May Ipsy Glam bag. It's a cute little bag that has all these like little passport stamps on it. And then you turn it around and it's like a little peachy orange. So, fun times. We have the what is this? Soft Matte Lip Cream by NYX. It's in London is the color. Nice nude color. There we go. Boom, done there. Then we have a Beauty Blender by Slimissglam. So it's Sparkle Everyday Glam Beauty Sponge. It's got a little flat edge there. I enjoy that. Get on there. And then it's got a little corner to get in there. I like that. There we go. Oh, and I already have this. This is the Tarte Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finish Powder, which is also what they sent when my other Luna powder was all destroyed a couple months ago. So there's that. Then we have NYX Cosmetics Arch Arrival Brow Definer. Taupe color in those brows. There we go. Look at that. And then, oh, look at them all. There we go. It's in Taupe Tom, which is cool because Tom was my dad's name. Then we have Frecipe. Is that how we call it? Frecipe Fresh Garden Acai Berry Calming Mask and Pomegranate Firming Mask. So we actually have two masks there. Two for the price of one. So there we go. That's the Ipsy May Go There bag. That's where you can find me. Go there, follow me, and I will see you next time on Tomboy Beauty. Stay beautiful.